Did you know that you can grow garlic not just in soil, but also in water, pots, indoors, and even without soil? Yes, one small garlic clove can give you a full bulb or fresh green shoots right at home. So if you love gardening or want fresh, chemical-free garlic, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about easy home gardening, natural growing methods, and simple tips anyone can follow. Today's video is very special because we're going to learn how to grow garlic in 7 different ways. Whether you have a garden, a balcony, or just a small window space, there is a method for everyone. So let's not waste time, grab one garlic bulb and let's get started. Let's start with the most common and reliable method, growing garlic in soil. First, take a healthy garlic bulb and gently separate the cloves. Remember, do not peel the cloves. Now, choose loose and well-draining soil. Plant each clove pointy side up and about 2 inches deep. Keep a gap of around 4 to 6 inches between cloves. After planting, water lightly. The soil should be moist, not soggy. Place it in a sunny spot where it gets at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Garlic grows slowly, so be patient. In about 6 to 8 months, when the leaves turn yellow or brown, your garlic is ready to harvest. If you live in an apartment or don't have garden space, this method is perfect. Take a pot that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep with proper drainage holes. Fill it with loose soil mixed with compost. Plant the cloves just like we did in the ground, pointy side up. One important thing to remember, 1 clove gives 1 garlic bulb, so don't overcrowd the pot. Place the pot on a balcony or terrace with good sunlight. Water only when the topsoil feels dry. Too much water can rot the cloves. This method is easy, clean, and perfect for beginners. Now, this is a fun and fast method, but with a small condition. This method is not for full garlic bulbs, but for garlic greens, which are great for cooking. Take a glass or small container, place garlic cloves inside so that the bottom touches water, but the whole clove is not submerged. Keep it near a sunny window. Change the water every 2 days. Within 7 to 10 days, you'll see green shoots growing. You can cut them and use them in soups, stir-fries, or salads. And yes, they will grow back again. If you want a bigger harvest, raised beds are a great option. Raised beds provide better drainage, healthier soil, less disease. Plant garlic cloves with proper spacing and loose soil. Because the soil stays airy, garlic bulbs grow bigger and healthier. This method is ideal for people who want to grow garlic in bulk. Now let's talk about a modern method, hydroponics. In this method, garlic is grown without soil using nutrient-rich water. Garlic cloves are placed in net cups and roots grow into the solution. The pH level should be around 6.0. This method is mainly used to grow garlic greens, not full bulbs. It's a great experiment if you love modern gardening techniques. Yes, you can grow garlic inside your home. Take a small pot, plant a garlic clove, and keep it near a bright window or under grow lights. Indoor garlic usually give leaves and greens, not big bulbs, but it's still very useful. This method is great for winter growing, small spaces, and fresh greens anytime. This is the easiest and most budget-friendly method. You can grow garlic using store-bought garlic, but try to choose organic garlic. Some store garlic is treated to stop sprouting, so organic works best. Plant it directly in soil or pots. Many people are surprised when this works, but yes, it absolutely does. Before we end, let me share a few important tips. Garlic loves full sunlight. Overwatering is the biggest mistake. Stop watering 2 weeks before harvest. Harvest when leaves turn yellow or dry. Follow these tips and you'll get healthy garlic every time. So that's it, 7 different ways to grow garlic at home. Tell me in the comments, which method are you going to try first? If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!